Here at NanoEdge, we use Kenotek, the market leader in state-of-the-art professional cleaning products for vehicles. Kenotek is from Belgium and produce an extensive line of cleaners for every material and surface detailers might encounter. Kenotek products are safe on the car and safe on the environment. They are easy to use and highly effective. Whether it is for interior or exterior cleaning, rims, tires, leather, chrome, glass, engine components, or anything in between, Kenotek has the perfect product for the perfect job. At NanoEdge, customer satisfaction is paramount. Kenotek allows us to work with specialized products and deliver to our customers the cleanest, shiniest, and most dedicated professional detailing service in the business.